Imagine standing on the precipice of a new construction project. Towering skyscrapers may grace the horizon, or verdant landscapes await a sustainable marvel. But before a single brick is laid, a silent revolution is taking place. Forget blueprints riddled with revisions and siloed communication. Welcome to the era of building information modeling, where digital whispers orchestrate construction symphonies, rewriting the blueprint. BIM is more than just 3D models. It's a living tapestry woven from interconnected data, breathing life into every wall, every pipe, every bolt. Architects, engineers, and contractors collaborate not on paper, but on a virtual stage, where clashing beams and misplaced windows are detected and rectified before the first shovel hits the ground. Harmony in the chaos. BIM fosters unity, not disharmony. Information flows freely, washing away communication barriers. Real-time data empowers informed decisions, ensuring everyone dances to the same digital tune. Cost estimates become precise waltzes, not clumsy jigs. Project schedules gain the grace of a well-rehearsed ballet, eliminating delays and budget overruns. Beyond bricks and mortar, BIM isn't just about building things right, it's about building the right things. Virtual simulations become crystal balls, revealing a building's energy performance, life cycle costs, and environmental impact. We can optimize materials, maximize efficiency, and minimize our footprint, not just on the construction site, but on the planet itself. Precision takes center stage. Gone are the days of guesswork and margins of error. BIM's precise digital models eliminate ambiguity, ensuring materials fit like puzzle pieces and systems interlock flawlessly. Imagine prefabricated modules arriving on site, ready to click seamlessly into place, minimizing waste and maximizing speed. Clash detection, avoiding the wrecking ball. Imagine identifying potential conflicts between pipes and wires before the ground is even broken. BIM's clash detection technology does just that, predicting and resolving issues before they become costly construction snags. No more on-site surprises, just smooth sailing from blueprint to building. Cost control conducts the orchestra. Budgets, once notorious for their diva-like tendencies, are brought under control with BIM. Detailed cost tracking and real-time data insights paint a clear picture of resource allocation, eliminating waste and identifying potential savings early on. No more budget meltdowns, just a harmonious financial concerto. Scheduling gets a digital makeover. Gone are the days of Gantt charts plastered with sticky notes and crossed-out dates. BIM's integrated scheduling tools synchronize every stage of the building process, optimizing resource allocation and streamlining workflows. Projects dance to a precise digital rhythm, minimizing delays and keeping your timeline on track. Communication channels open wide. Siloed communication crumbles under BIM's collaborative weight. Real-time updates and shared models ensure everyone, from architects to subcontractors, is singing from the same digital hymnal. Information flows freely, fostering trust and understanding throughout the project's life cycle. Safety takes the front row. Safety isn't an afterthought with BIM. Virtual simulations identify potential hazards before the first nail is hammered. Ergonomics are assessed, escape routes mapped, and construction sequences optimized for worker safety. Every step of the project is choreographed with safety in mind. Virtual twins, a peek into the future. BIM doesn't just build the present, it predicts the future. Digital twins, replicas of the real building in the virtual world, allow us to test everything from energy performance to maintenance needs before construction even begins. It's like having a crystal ball for your building, ensuring smooth operation and long-term success. Augmented reality, blurring the lines. Imagine workers donning smart glasses that overlay digital information onto the physical construction site. BIM's augmented reality capabilities bring the model to life, guiding installation, verifying measurements, and troubleshooting issues in real time. It's like having a digital Yoda on your shoulder, whispering building wisdom into your ear. Sustainability serenades the Earth. BIM isn't just about building things, it's about building them responsibly. By analyzing materials, optimizing energy consumption, and minimizing waste, BIM helps us minimize our environmental footprint. Every brick laid becomes a note in a symphony of sustainability. Beyond bricks and mortar, BIM's reach extends to infrastructure. Bridges, roads, and tunnels, once conceived in isolation, are now brought into the BIM fold. Virtual models of entire transportation networks allow for holistic planning, optimizing traffic flow, minimizing environmental impact, and ensuring seamless integration with existing infrastructure. Imagine interconnected cities dancing to the rhythm of BIM, humming with efficiency and sustainability. Facility management takes a bow. BIM's curtain call doesn't fall when the building is complete. Digital models become living blueprints for facility management, guiding maintenance schedules, optimizing energy consumption, and streamlining repairs. Imagine building systems singing in perfect harmony, their performance monitored and optimized in real time, extending the life and value of your asset. BIM's global chorus. The language of BIM transcends borders. Its standardized data format allows for international collaboration, bridging cultural and geographical divides. Projects can be built with expertise from around the world, uniting diverse voices in a harmonious construction symphony. Imagine architects in Tokyo collaborating with engineers in London, their ideas seamlessly woven into a global masterpiece. BIM's educational encore. The future workforce is being shaped by BIM. Educational institutions are incorporating BIM into their curricula, equipping students with the skills and knowledge to navigate the digital construction landscape. Imagine classrooms buzzing with the potential of young minds, eager to compose the next chapter of BIM's transformative story. BIM's open stage for innovation. The possibilities of BIM are boundless. From 3D printing entire buildings to integrating artificial intelligence for automated construction, the future is brimming with possibilities. BIM provides the open stage for these innovations to flourish, ensuring the construction industry continues to evolve and adapt in the digital age. Building for generations. BIM isn't just about building the present. It's about building for generations to come. The model doesn't just disappear once the building is complete. It becomes a living legacy, a digital archive containing every detail, from material specifications to maintenance schedules. Imagine future facility managers accessing 3D walkthroughs for repairs, or energy analysts optimizing operations based on simulated performance data. With BIM, your building leaves a digital footprint, ensuring its longevity and contributing to a more sustainable future. Remember, the future of construction is digital, and BIM is the conductor. Subscribe to our channel, and let's learn, build, and innovate together. The construction industry is shedding its analog skin and embracing the digital future. BIM is the baton conducting this transformative symphony, and its impact is just beginning to crescendo. So, let's raise a virtual curtain to the possibilities of BIM. Subscribe to our channel, and together, let's witness the construction masterpiece unfold, brick by data-driven brick. Remember, it's not just about building things, it's about building a better future.